Well, Gracie and I are gonna have to cut our day short here. There is some real storms coming in. Note from that direction, it is pretty dark over on that side, up on the north side. Yeah, I think it's the north side of the property. Can I figure out northeast, southwest? That would be the question for the day. Anyhow, it's been a short day here today. And while I would love to stay longer, I think I need to get myself back on the road and head back toward the storm that is in St. Petersburg, where I'm actually living at this point in time. So I'm gonna get booking. I really just want to sit here because, you know, I love myself a good storm, but it doesn't seem wise. Check the birdies out. They are there. Can you see them? I'm trying to get the camera where you can see them. Maybe not. The basics in life, like trying to handle a camera, becomes very fascinating. Here comes the downpour, folks. It is getting ready to happen. Right here, right now, all for us. All right, I'm in the Jeep with Gracie. Here we go. Oh, we got a few last birds flying around out there. See if we can find them. They are floating through, trying to get out of the rain is what that appears like. I think I should just get out of the rain. How about that?